Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here, you are probably looking to shop on Zara app but need to change the country for accurate pricing, currency and availability. Don't worry, this guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Let's start from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto the profile icon at the down right corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile interface, you have to tap onto the profile. Here, in order to change your country or region, you have to tap onto the addresses. Now, in the address section, you have to tap onto the add another addresses. Here, you have to write down the desired country and tap on to select it. And the app will automatically show you the content, prices and currency for the country you've selected. And that's it. Changing your country on Zara app is super simple and just take a minute. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.